40 questions on idioms with real usage. Ready for the challenge? Let's begin. What does come up with mean? Answer B. Think up, like this. She came up with a great idea. What does run into mean? Answer A. Meet by. Quick example. I ran into him at the store. What does take for granted mean? Answer B. Not value. Here's example. Don't take it for granted. What does get the hang of mean? Answer D. Learn it. For example, I got the hang of driving. What does go with the flow mean? Answer A. Adapt now. In context. Just go with the flow today. What does put it off mean? Answer B. Delay it. Real usage. Don't put it off again. What does work something out mean? Answer D. Solve it. Sample use. We can work it out together. What does step up your game mean? Answer C. Improve now. In speech, you need to step up your game. What does miss the point mean? Answer A. Not get it. Try this. You missed the point again. What does see the point mean? Answer B. Get it. Example here. Now I see the point clearly. What does play it safe mean? Answer D. Avoid risk. Usage example. Let's play it safe this time. What does take a chance mean? Answer C. Risk it. Real usage. Just take a chance and try. What does make a difference mean? Answer B. Change it. Quick example. You can make a difference. What does cross your mind mean? Answer A. Think of. Here's example. Did it cross your mind at all? What does ring a bell mean? Answer D. Seem known. Check example. That name rings a bell. What does call the shots mean? Answer B. Lead all. See example. She calls the shots here. What does be on edge mean? Answer A. Feel tense. Watch this. I'm on edge before exams. What does keep in touch mean? Answer D. Stay close, like this. Let's keep in touch later. What does lose track of time mean? Answer A. Forget time. For example, I lost track of time working. What does make ends meet mean? Answer D. Earn enough. In context, it's hard to make ends meet. What does be on the safe side mean? Answer A. Be careful. Real usage. I'll check again to be on the safe side. What does cut to the chase mean? Answer B. Get to it. Sample use. Let's cut to the chase now. What does get to the point mean? Answer D. Be direct. In speech. Please get to the point now. What does leave it at that mean? Answer B. Stop there. Try this. Let's just leave it at that. What does not a big deal mean? Answer A. No problem. Quick example. It's not a big deal. Relax. What does fair enough mean? Answer C. Makes sense. Like this. Okay, fair enough. I agree. What does "that's about it" mean? Answer A. That's all. For example, well, that's about it for now. What does "it depends" mean? Answer C. Not sure. Real usage. It depends on the situation. What does big deal mean? Answer B. Important. Sample use. This is a big deal for us. What does turn down mean? Answer C. Refuse it. In speech, she turned down the offer fast. What's your score? Any idioms surprise you? Tell me below, and don't forget to like and follow.